Hello and welcome back to another Roblox scripting tutorial. Today we're going to be working on the events. Not all of the events, because there's very many or lots of events to go through. But we're just going to make an event that if you step on it, you'll take damage. So we'll just make something like this, for example, so a block, and then let's make it red so it's menacing. Right. Add a script by clicking the plus and deleting this. We're just going to create something called a debounce, so local debounce equals true. So debounce will just be a true or false variable, just to allow us to switch it on and off, just so we don't get overloaded in script runs. Then we're going to create a local int value, which is going to be time between hits, and then that's going to equal 1. So now we're going to do the actual function that calls it. So script dot parent dot touched connect a function called hit, and then move 1 to the side and then press enter, and then that will complete the end function for it. And then now if we do if hit dot parent with capital P and then find first child, and then brackets with speech marks, humanoid with a capital H, and then if debounce is equal to, which 2 equals 2's is actually the same as maths equal to, equals true. We don't want to do that yet. We want to do then, which will complete another thing for you. You want to do hit dot parent dot humanoid take capital T damage capital D brackets, and then however much damage you want to do. So I'm going to put it 20. If you actually let's make this even nicer. So let's do local damage equals 20. So then go into take damage, and then we can do damage. So that'll just call that variable from up there. And then when we've taken damage, so when we've taken 20 damage, we want to do debounce equals false. This will just shut it off so it doesn't constantly run. And then we want to do wait, and then we've got a wait time up here, so time between hits, and then we will do debounce equals true. So this, if we run, and go over to our evil block, there you go, we're taking damage. That's an event, one of the few events, and we will be going over to more in the future, but it's just quite nice. So a challenge for you guys, if you are watching this video, is to go on and make a little obstacle course with, say, like for example, if we go over here, we've got this takes a lot less damage while you're walking over it, so you have actually got time to go over it. So maybe a time trial that you have to get over quickly, but you have to like do it skilled, or just go like be all imaginative with what you can do with this. Like that's an instant kill ball. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Peace out.